Here we go. This is a very simple recipe. You can get this in the crock pot going before you head out to work, and it'll be ready for you when you get back. Okay, so what you're going to need is about a pound of venison roast, about a half of a small onion, a half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a tablespoon of garlic salt, black pepper to taste, package of onion soup mix, and a can of cream of mushroom soup. So I'm going to want to clean my meat. And put it into the crock pot. Now I'm going to chop my onion. Got my outdoor edge knife here. And how thin you want to chop this is your own preference. I kind of like a little bit bigger chunks, but not too big. Put your onion right over top of that roast. Then I'm going to take a half of a tablespoon of garlic salt, and I'm going to sprinkle it right on the roast. Okay. Next I'll add a half of a tablespoon of soy sauce. Pour that right on the roast. And I'm going to follow that up with my Worcestershire sauce, or however the heck you pronounce that. Also a half a tablespoon. Alright, looking beautiful. Get in there with some black pepper, just to taste. Okay, for this next step, I'm going to take some cream of mushroom soup, pop it open here. Dump it into a small bowl. And I'm going to take my dried onion soup mix here. Dump that in. And I'm going to stir it up. And what I'm going to do with this mixture is I'm going to slop this right on top of my roast. Take a look at that. Doesn't that look good? Now what you want to think about too is this is going to make a lot of extra gravy for you, which is great for the roast, but there's going to be enough if you want to make some mashed potatoes to go with this meal. It's going to be an excellent, excellent gravy. So keep that in mind. Okay, and I'm going to want to put this on a low setting for about 6 hours. Your house is going to be smelling awesome. Does it smell yummy down here?
Yeah.
I got my son James home from school. It's been cooking all day. Yum. Does that venison look good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. The whole house smells good, doesn't it? We're gonna let it cook just a little bit longer.
Okay.
I've been stirring this occasionally throughout the day, making sure it's marinating in the gravy. Okay, moment of truth, here we go. It's been cooking for 6 hours. I've been smelling this all day. Here we go, the first taste. Just like I remember. This is a really simple recipe. You gotta try it. Alright? Well, I hope it tastes as good for you as it does for me. And we'll see you next time.